On the internet, you've probably made a post on a social media platform, sent an email, read a news article online, or even bought a new shirt. Regardless of what platform you have used, you are continually sharing information digitally. Digital literacy is the ability to do all these things and more on the internet. Finding and consuming digital content, creating digital content, and sharing digital content are the three pillars of digital literacy. For example, when you find and read a news article online, you are finding and consuming content. When you make a post on a social media platform, you are sharing digital content. When you create a blog, you are creating digital content. Any task that you do online will fall under one of these three pillars. Let's take a look at photography and learn how to use the digital literacy pillars to share your passion of photography with the world. As a photographer, you probably follow a lot of photography experts online and are often looking for the best tips and tricks to capture amazing photos. After finding these tips, you take your pictures and you're ready to share them with the world. So you start a blog or you make a post on social media. You have used all three pillars in some way to showcase your passion. You have probably used digital literacy in school or for your leisure. Maybe it was finding and consuming content to write a research paper on the civil rights movement for a history class, or creating and sharing videos and pictures to promote the latest sneaker drop on a social platform. Whatever the task is, it is vital to understand how to share, create, and find information online to navigate the digital world effectively.